Yesterday we can see that the price has formed a bearish candle right here at the supply zone where the resistance is at 2618.75. Yesterday I have shared inside the premium analysis with the traders this information where the price has formed this bearish breakout with the targets very close to this area of support, and especially on the 1 hour time frame this breakout has been also shared here, right here with the target right here at around 2610 price level. So if you'd like to see also another breakout, which currently I also have shared today, you can also check the link below. You can also join the premium analysis and get notification on all other symbols like that are listed visible here on a daily basis when there is a potential breakout like in this example. So let's turn to the gold. Yesterday the price formed this bearish candle, which the price has closed below this area of currently acting as a resistance supply zone. This is a small indication, at least for now, that there is indecision on the market and there is some kind of a supply zone here, sellers waiting to push the price even further down. So for now I'm still waiting how the price will behave around this area of the resistance and this area of support. But today I have shared that I'm expecting that the price will try to move down, reaching again an area 2610. You can see that I have open sell order, which I have shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. So there are also other signals, and also I have shared with the traders. For example, for the silver I have shared also a potential breakout. So for now I'm expecting to see where the price will form a breakout. We can see that on the 4 hour time frame the price did not form this bullish breakout, indicating further rise in value, and also the price could not go further down, reaching this area of demand zone as support, where the price is trying to make also breakout to the downside. So for now waiting still clear information, but on the 4 hour time frame and a 1 hour time frame I'm also watching when the breakout is and also trading that on the smaller volatility which is currently active. Because of the holidays right now in this week, I am also expecting there will be less volatility, less price movement, so there is the potential that the price will stay inside this range area, but we'll see how the price do in the afternoon. For now this is all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.